Welcome to the Grespec. We manufacture multiple cabinets, multiple solutions. Today I am going to introduce you our FarmCube Nano. This is a small cabinet, a kitchen cabinet you put inside the kitchen, the restaurant, and you add multiple plants in your menu. You can grow leafy greens, you can grow microgreens, herbs, different plants can grow in this cabinet. You can see here the 4 layers. Here's the one PLC. In the bottom is a water tank. You just add some water, some fertilizer, and it started to grow. We pack in the wooden case. You just unpack, add the water, add the power, and it started to grow. It's an aeroponic solution. Save your water, save the fertilizer, and the best thing for the aeroponic is pesticide free. You are getting a organic food through the aeroponic, and it's very clean and fast growing. What the traditional system you are using, this is much faster and more flavored and natural plant in our cabinet. So you see, this is a very beautiful and smart cabinet. Every layer is working independently. If you do, for example, if you want to grow this one and this two and you don't want to grow, you can close this one. The lighting, the ventilation, everything is installed very well and smartly installed. So smart cabinet, you see around, it's a very beautiful cabinet. It beautifies your kitchen, lobby, office, and a lot of the learnings you can get from this cabinet. So we produce a lot of the cabinets, containers, lot of the grow systems. If you have any query, you want to discuss with us about our cooperation, please send your query and we will follow up you and support you.